Dear Rinpoche, I noticed that most Buddhists point to the heart chakra and not the brain when speaking about the mind. Why?
We have 72,000 psychic channels in which our winds or mind travel throughout our body. These channels converge at the various chakras throughout the body. At the heart center, all the channels condense into 3 main channels, then into one central channel. Within this central channel abides our very subtle mind. This mind is who we are, and the us that leaves the body to reincarnate. So our minds do not abide in the brain but at our central channel at our hearts. This subtle mind abides at the central channel at our heart center region. Hence in Buddhist tantric meditation, the focus would eventually be at the heart center region, to control the processes of the mind. The basis of Tantra lies in the network of 72,000 psychic channels that run throughout the body. The energies that run on these channels regulate bodily functions, and the mind is said to ride on top of these energies that course throughout these channels. The practice of Tantra is similar to Chinese acupuncture treatment, in which needles are inserted into specific points to heal the body from pain and various other ailments. In tantric practice, recitation of a deity's mantra, combined with visualization of the placement of certain deities throughout the body, serve as the needles that regulate and harness the psychic energies in order to purify and transform the mind.